In this video, I will explain the different type of energy management program. So actually we have 16 number of energy management program, 16 number of energy management program. So this table, now you can see a table. So this table shows the different energy management program. So the first column indicates the type of energy management program. So I just state the type of energy management program starting from first one, review of historical data. Second one is energy audit. Third one is operational and maintenance. Operation and maintenance. Fourth one is analysis of energy use. Then economic evaluation. Then more efficient equipment, more efficient process, energy containment, material economy, substitute material, material quality, aggregation of energy use, cascade of energy use, alternative energy sources, energy conservation, and energy storage. So these are the different type of energy management program available. So in second column, you can see the cost related to each energy management program. Okay. So in first case, first type is a review of historical data. So the cost related to the corresponding energy management program is very low. Okay. So coming to the fourth one, you can see in fourth one. What is fourth one? It is analysis of energy use. So the cost related to this energy management program is low to moderate. Okay. Then coming to the eighth one, you can see the energy containment waste reduction, energy containment. So the cost related or cost associated with this program is around moderate to high. Okay. So the second column, which shows the cost associated with each energy management program. Then coming to the third column, so third column shows the relative time period, okay, relative time period to implement each energy management program. For example, if you take the first one, review of historical data, okay, so the 1 year we need a one year time to implement the first energy management program. Okay. Similarly, if you take seventh one, so more efficient process. So it takes several years. So it takes several years to implement the more efficient process energy management program. So that means the third column, which indicates relative time period to implement each energy management program. And next column, relative complexity. It shows the complexity of each program. For example, review of historical data. So complexity is very low. And coming to the fourth one, analysis of energy use. The complexity is moderate to high. Okay. Then coming to the uh, eighth one, material economy. So low to high. So this column shows the complexity of each energy management program. And last column that shows the benefit expected benefit from each of the program. So if you take the example review of historical data, so the expected benefit, that is 5 to 10%. Okay. So that much amount of electricity we can save by implementing the first energy management program. Okay. Similarly, if you take a fifth one, okay, economy evaluation, so we can save the energy from 5 to 15%. Okay. Then coming to the seventh one, by using more efficient process. So actually, it's time period. It will take several years to implement, and the cost associated with this project is moderate to high. Okay, and complexity is also moderate to high, but we can get energy saving from 10 to 30 percentage. So that is the different. So this table which shows the different type of energy management programs. Thank you.